learn what is computer network and its advantages and type of network connections. Let's start grade 9 ICT Lesson 5 Computer Networks. I took this from your reading book. There's a girl. I would like to show you the soft copy of this article I prepared for the wallpaper. Can I do it? And there's another girl. I need to get a hard copy of my letter, but the printer is connected to your computer, isn't it? Now tell me, what can I do? Yes, this boy has the solutions for both questions. Don't you know that the computers in this laboratory are networked? We can easily share the soft copies and we can also get the hard copies from any computer. Yes, this is the advantage of computer networking. So let's learn what is computer network. I'll simply explain you. I have two computers and I connect them through wired connection. This is called computer network. To build up a computer network, there should be at least two devices. So we can connect devices through wired connection or wireless connection. To build up a computer network, we need computers and devices. At least we need two devices. So let's see the computer network definition. A computer network is a group of computers and other devices connected together to share information, resources, and services. Computer network is a group of computers and other devices connected together. For what? To share information, resources, and services. See, in this picture, you can see there are different type of devices. Client, printers, web servers, file servers, email servers, all are connected together. So we can say this is simply computer network. This is a simple computer network. Right. So, where we can see computer networks? Yeah, where we can see computer network. So I told you, when I share something from my computer to mobile phone or mobile phone to computer through Wi-Fi or Bluetooth, that's also called computer network. So in each and everywhere we can see computer network. In home, in schools, banks, hospitals, government offices, then private companies, each and everywhere we can see computer network. So what are the advantages of using computer networks? We can share or ability to share files, or it means softwares and hardwares. Ability to communicate with network users. It means the computers within the networks, right? Ability to communicate with network users using emails and SMS. Common use of documents, images, photos, songs, videos. It means if I have an image, then all the other computers in the network can use that image or can share that image. We can commonly use the documents, images, photos. And also ease of taking backups, since the data files are saved in a server computer in the network, right? Here in the previous picture, you can see a main computer. We called it as a server computer. So within the server computer, all the data, information, softwares are stored. Therefore, we don't want to be worried about backup copies. We don't want to be worried about the data lost. and also facility to save important information in the network storage device. It means within the server computer we can save all the important stuff. Ability to access the internet, and also we can share softwares such as computer games. These are the advantages of using computer networks. Next, we are going to learn about types of computer or types of network connections. When we discuss about the types of network connections, it's two types, wired and wireless. Network connections are mainly two types, wired and wireless. Wired connection, here we are discussing about two types of wired connection, fiber optic cables and twisted pair cables. Then wireless, infrared waves, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi and radio waves. In the next video, let's learn about in details the type of computer network connections. So if this video is useful for you, please share this video with your friends and put a comment below.